Time to wrap up this series built by LENNAR Homes. Today we are looking over the Sherwood model in the Winslow community right off the US-95 near Centennial Hills. Not only is this condo community super convenient to everything around, but it also has loads of features. Stick around towards the end of this video. I'm going to be doing a scrolling list of every single feature that is included in the models in this community, so make sure you stick around because it's all coming up for you right after this intro. Hey residents, what's going on today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at builder model homes as well as existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. And here we are at the Sherwood right here in Winslow. This is a condo community. The garages are on the opposite side. This is a walkway on the back side. There's your patio right there. It is included as a covered patio in this model. Being a condo community, the exterior is going to be taken care of for you. The HOA is $230 a month and has a pool. There's a cabana. There's a little park area. It's gated. Real nice host of features. I don't know if the water, sewer, garbage is going to be taken care of for you, but it's something to consider asking when you do go in and check this community out. Here we are right inside of the Sherwood model. As soon as you come in, you're greeted into the great room. The living room is 14 foot 11 by 15 foot 10, and the dining room is 10 foot 10 by 10 foot 5. There's the kitchen here. Real nice slab granite countertop, which is included. Beautiful granite that they used in this kitchen. Let's take a closer look at here in just a second. As far as the features of this home, it does start at $315,990. It is 1,544 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage with that covered patio that we already saw. The 2-bay garage is right out the door right there. It is a 19 foot 6 by 22 foot 4 garage. There is a tankless water heater out there for you as well. The cabinetry is going to be a 42-inch maple upper cabinetry with a crown molding. There's that granite countertop I was talking about. Really nice speckles in here. Really light movement. I love the white, clean look to it. It's a very interesting granite. That is going to be included, and you'll get a 3-inch granite backsplash to accent that. The backsplash that they have in this kitchen is not included. That is an upgrade from the design studio. Here's your pantry right here. You will also be getting the GE stainless steel appliance package, which includes the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave oven, and the stovetop. The flooring downstairs here is going to be an upgrade from the design studio as well. Unfortunately, it is not included with laminate through the entire home. It is only in the wet areas, which will be the kitchen, the entry, the bathrooms, and the laundry room. And that'll be in a 17 by 17 inch ceramic tile. The rest of the home will be carpeted with a really nice plush carpeting. All these features I'm going over are included. LENNAR is really good at making a home that is built and ready to go for you. Minimal design studio features included. Headed straight on upstairs here. Head back into this first bedroom over here. Here is the laundry right here though. You're going to get this GE stackable washer and dryer there. It's going to be included. This first bedroom here is 11 foot 9 by 11 foot 10. Nice sized bedroom. Closet there on the left. Couple other really nice features. You're going to get the Ring alarm system installed for you, which will include the Ring doorbell, the security base station keypad, the monitor detectors, smoke detector, CO2, all that good stuff. You're going to get the doorbell. There's a MyQ smart garage door, the Honeywell Home Z-Wave thermostat, as well as a Lavelle deadbolt on the front door, so you can control that from your phone as well. There's the first bathroom here. It is a full bathroom with the fiberglass surround in the subway tile style. Single vanity on this bathroom here. Headed down the hall here. We'll go to the bedroom on the left here. Apparently this is Lucy's room. She likes lemons. This bedroom is 10 foot 9 by 11 foot 9. about a foot smaller on the width. Really nice ceiling height in this home as well. It is going to be 9 foot upstairs and downstairs. You're going to get faux wood blinds that are going to be included through the entire home. Very few builders include that, which is a really nice feature. Saves you a lot of money after building your home that's already included. Coming into the master bedroom here, this is 14 foot 1 by 12 foot 1. You're going to get a TX pest control system in the wall. It makes it really easy for your exterminator to put their chemicals into the wall there. Helps keep things under control. There is a lot of energy features in here. You have a really nice AC installed. There's going to be a skip trowel along the wall. Really, that's kind of unique to LENNAR. They also have their own mortgage company, title services, homeowners insurance, really nice home warranty included as well. They have a whole host of features to help you out finding your home. There's a master bathroom here. The vanity will be just a little bit taller than the previous vanity we saw in the other bathroom. It is going to be a dual vanity as you're seeing. You're going to get the separate shower and soaking tub. There's a water closet there. And then of course the walk-in closet in the back here. I love this style of design. I like the walkthrough to the walk-in closet. I think it's a wonderful feature to have. It keeps it separated from the bedroom. It just makes it look a little bit neater from the bedroom perspective. If you have any questions about this community, feel free to be in contact with me. Let me know in the comments below what you like about this home, or if you have any questions about the community altogether. I'm happy to find out those answers for you. As promised, here is the scrolling list of every single feature that is included in this community in these models. Again, feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And if you do like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel as I post new videos every single Friday. Make sure you smash that bell notification so you're notified as soon as I upload them. As for now, I'm going to pump up the music. We can jam out while we read the rest of this list. And we'll see you guys next week. Later.